Ukrainian Special Operations eliminate Russian assault group in Pokrovsk. In the Pokrovsk sector, Ukrainian Special Operations Forces from the 144th Center, in cooperation with UAV operators, FPV drone teams, mortar crews, and grenade launcher units, carried out a joint operation that resulted in the destruction of Russian assault group. The group had previously disrupted a unit rotation, killing one Ukrainian service member and injuring another. The operation began with a targeted strike on a locomotive where Russian soldiers had taken shelter. FPV drones were used to engage the target, causing the locomotive to catch fire. As a result, 6 Russian soldiers attempted to flee the area. During the escape, 5 of the soldiers were killed by coordinated fire and drone strikes. The 6th, who was wounded, pretended to be dead and avoided immediate detection. Later, drone reconnaissance confirmed the 6th soldier was alive. Rather than delivering a follow-up strike, Ukrainian drone operators used UAVs equipped for dropping munitions to signal the soldier. Eventually, he surrendered. The surrendered soldier was guided toward Ukrainian positions using drone maneuvers and was then evacuated by special operation personnel in the Humvee vehicle. No further resistance was reported. According to the group commander, callsign Pravi, the decision to take the soldier alive was based on the potential value of a prisoner exchange, provided it could be done without unnecessary risk. As Defense Express previously reported, operators from Ukrainian Phoenix drone unit have successfully targeted and eliminated multiple Russian assets and personnel in Donetsk region. According to a recent operational report, using FPV drones, the unit engaged enemy positions and vehicles with precision, including several instances of close-in strikes on infantry. Russia intensifies assaults in Pokrovsk as daily casualties mount. Russian forces continue to press their offensive in the Pokrovsk direction, making it one of the few areas where heavy military equipment is still in use, though not in large numbers. According to Ukrainian military officials, the Russian forces increasingly relies on light armored vehicles and infantry groups, with no new tactics observed in recent assaults. Major Viktor Trehubov, spokesperson for the Operational Strategic Group of Troops, Khortytsia, shared the latest updates during a national television broadcast. On June 22nd alone, 44 combat engagements were recorded in this direction, making it the most active section of the front. Trehubov also reported that Russian forces remain active along several other fronts, including the Kramatorsk, Turansk, Kupiansk, and Novopavlivka directions. In Novopavlivka, Russian troops continue efforts to advance toward the administrative borders of the Dnipropetrovsk and Donetsk regions. Meanwhile, Ukrainian drone warfare continues to evolve with remarkable accuracy and tactical finesse. In a recent operation on the southern front, FPV drone pilots from the Asgard unit of the Nemesis 412th Regiment successfully destroyed camouflaged Russian T-72 tanks hidden in a forest strip. The strike showcased both the vulnerability of traditional armor and the precision of modern drone operators. Despite the tank being protected by anti-drone nets, metal grids, and reactive armor, the FPV team managed to bypass or penetrate these defenses. The T-72, a legacy platform heavily used by Russian forces, was reportedly turned into scrap in a direct hit, illustrating once again that even reinforced armored vehicles are no longer safe from skilled Ukrainian drone operators. The T-72 tank and its more modern counterpart, the T-80 unit, remain the backbone of Russia's armored fleet, inheriting vast Soviet-era manufacturing capabilities. Russia has continued to modernize and produce these tanks at scale. However, the growing dominance of low-cost, high-precision FPV drones on the battlefield is increasingly calling into question the survivability of even the most heavily protected ground vehicles. Recently, 14 enemy armored vehicles and 50 occupiers taken out as fighters repel mechanized assault on Kostanivka front. On the Kostanivka front, the enemy attempted to break through our defenses with a bold mechanized assault from several flanks. Thanks to coordinated actions by artillery units, ATGM teams, and drone strike systems of the 36th Separate Marine Brigade, as well as units of the 54th Separate Mechanized Brigade and 101st Separate Guard Brigade, the attack was successfully repelled. In the battle, 14 enemy armored vehicles were destroyed. Enemy losses amounted to approximately 50 personnel killed and wounded, along with 6 motorized vehicles. The update reflects ongoing high-intensity fighting along the eastern and southern fronts, where Ukrainian defenders continue to resist Russian advances.